Yay! Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. I know everybody's excited. So let's go ahead and see what our mood meter is like today. I am very happy because it's Friday. The weekend is here. So, how are you feeling today? Are you happy? Are you calm? Or are you mad? I hope you guys are happy. So, let's go ahead and start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Days of the week. So today is Friday. What is today? Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. What was yesterday? Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. The month is August. What is the month? August. So let's say it together. Today is August. Friday, 2020. The weather is sunny outside. And it's 99 degrees again. Oh my God, it's so hot outside. So remember to be active and get all your exercise in and complete your exercise videos. Always remember it is Friday, so continue working on brushing your teeth. So for today's agenda, we will continue to work on other, which are our final IEP goals. Once you are done, submit a picture to your teacher for 8th grade. If you have any questions, contact your teacher via email or through WhatsApp. Let's begin.